G'day you cheeky buggers, and welcome back to episode 3 of Landscape and Secrets. Yeah boy, we're in for a big one today. Oh, nice grass, mate. So today we're in the beautiful Apex, North Carolina. Beautiful sunny day. Today we're actually dealing with a customer that's complained about her grass not coming through nice and green, the soil not being, having enough nutrients to support the growth of the grass. So today we're here. We've got the aerator in the back. We've got the soil, we've got the seed. Dealing with Bermuda grass today actually. So it's something we're very familiar with in North Carolina here. Very popular grass. It's been here for decades. So yeah, we're here to help out this customer and get this property back up to tip-top shape. There she is, guys. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness. The beast. Let's get it. Woohoo! Nice! It's the aerator. Classen is the brand. So it's the property we're working on. Bermuda turf. It's at the beginning of growing season, as you can see. Still trying to get that green to come out. Due to this home not having quality preparation done at the time the sod was installed, the soil wasn't prepared with the compost or the organics needed for the soil to be nice and strong for the grass to come through. So as a result, no preparation caused compaction, dense clay, which basically limits water from penetrating, restricting the roots and growth, etc. So that's what we're here today to do, guys. We've got the aerator. I'm going to show you guys the back here. The front's not too bad. We got little bits of clay showing, but the back is a different story. I'll show you guys real quick. So we've got lots of patches of missing grass. The soil hasn't been strong enough, hasn't had the nutrients, and basically the grass hasn't come through in these spots. So we're going to use the aerator today, go over it quite a few times, poke those holes in the ground, and then we're going to lay the seed down. Let it rip, Fernando. Oh! Make sure you move everything that's could get hit on the ground. Clear the backyard. Some people have dogs. They always have dogs toys out. Something like this, we're just gonna have to go as close as we can to it without hitting it. Remove all the toys, balls, frisbees, the go. I'm not trying to destroy anyone's pets' toys. If you see any large rocks on the property as well, guys, make sure to remove those before aerating. This thing is not light. Woo! It's tough work. But if we walk around, there's some spots that the grass is actually doing really well. So, around these spots, you can't really see many holes because it's hard to show up within the grass. Mainly we're working on this corner of the house over here, where you see lots of patches, definitely holes more visible. So that's what we want. It's all looking good. Looks like we're pretty much done with the aerator. Now we can put the nutrients in that needs. Alright guys, so we've got the Carbon Pro G here. It's a new product from Lesco. It introduces organic plant optimizing technology, which basically goes into the holes that we've created with the aerator and helps break down, start mixing slowly with the clay and soil. This helps to provide the deep roots, improve greenery, increase nutrient uptake, and yeah. Guys, now we're going to spread a quick water application. Just coat the surface. We don't need a whole lot. You don't want to drench it. Definitely not going to miss these spots back here. These are definitely the worst on the property. This is the second last step, guys. We're almost there. Banana getting those last couple of spots, using the rest of that seed. Alright guys, and the final step here today, we'll be placing these Fontaine landscaping flags down. These were made by our good friends Blackburn. The stuff there is always awesome. They sell all kinds of outdoor marketing related products for us pros, and yeah, we've never had a problem with them, so the link will be in the description for that company, so definitely check them out. Alrighty guys, another lawn successfully on the way back to full health. We're gonna pack everything up here, head to another property, but yeah, job all done. And make sure you guys subscribe, keep up to date with the videos. We're still going to be uploading every single week, and yeah, we love all the support. It's great for us, you know. We all we laugh at some of the comments, and appreciate all the likes and subscribers, so thank you guys, keep that up. We'll see you guys on the next one, episode 4 next week, so stay tuned for that. Dundee out.